I begin with the legendary words of Allama. His words echo the resilience of our great nation. We survived centuries of oppression, yet we stand tall today as the world's most vibrant democracy. But ladies and gentlemen, we must confront a dark, silent and heartbreaking truth. A silent enemy walks our street. It doesn't wear a uniform, it doesn't sound an alarm, and it doesn't attack from across the border. It is the toxic poison of drug abuse. It breaks my heart to see the very youth, the young boys and girls who were supposed to build the future of this nation are collapsing in dark corners. Their eyes are hollow, their magnificent dreams shattered into dust by a chemical powder. Why is this happening? It begins in the dark, born out of modern isolation, peer pressure, academic stress, or a desperate attempt to escape emotional pain. For the person, it is a slow agonizing decay. It robs them of their intellect, tears down their self-respect, and shatters their physical and mental health. And it never hurts just one person. It bleeds the surroundings dry. It turns happy homes into a sullen battleground of trauma, forcing mothers to watch their children wither away and driving families into financial and emotional ruin. As our Prime Minister recently said on the My Bharat portal, as India marches towards a developed country, it is essential for the youth to remain physically fit and mentally strong and stay entirely away from drug abuse. He reminded us that addiction doesn't just ruin a family, it weakens an entire nation. Recently, on 15th of August, we celebrated Independence Day. I have a question for you guys. Are we really independent? Have we really got our independence, our freedom? No. True freedom is not just a line on a map. True freedom is the sword and purity of your mind. To every youth sitting in this audience today, look at me. You are not meant to decay in the shadow of intoxication. You are the tomorrow of this nation. To you I say these heartfelt words. ऐ वतन के नौजवानों तुम कल के सवेरे हो, ऐ वतन के नौजवानों तुम कल के सवेरे हो, क्यों इस अंधेरे नशे में किए तुमने बसेरे हो, उठो और संभालो अपनी इस अनमोल जवानी को, उठो और संभालो अपनी इस अनमोल जवानी को, याद करो शहीदों की दी हुई उन कुर्बानियों को. To awaken the sleeping giants inside every young soul here, I quote the most profound, goosebump-inducing lines written by Allama Iqbal. तू शाहीन है, परवास है काम तेरा, तू शाहीन है, परवास है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी है. You are a falcon, your destiny is to soar through high skies. Why crawl in the depth of addiction when the entire universe is waiting for your flight? And I leave you with the eternal words of Majroor Sultanpuri, a reminder of an unstoppable force we become when we refuse to walk alone. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Let us build that कारवां against addiction. Let us walk together into the light. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.